Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold trading with the inflation report USA this week, 11th January this week, Thursday. How to trade with the CPI data report, inflation report USA. You can join it. My Telegram link is below. Get the profit from the gold trading. So I'm in a 4 hour chart. You can see I marked two lines. First line is the below line, that is the 2020-15 level. Price has several times reacted. This is the last time yesterday reacted this level, 2015 2020 level. That is the more buyers are active in this level. Strong data needs to break this level to go below side. So that is the buy zone. Yesterday also active this zone and price went to the upside. Now 2030 35 level. So that is the technical picture I have. So I am going to the analyze with the inflation report what is going on with the gold with this report this week. So this is the trend line. Also you should remember price has several times reacted this level. So this zones technically remember that most important levels goal. So I am going to the forex factory. You can see the CPI data report 11th January. 3.1% is the current inflation report USA. So Fed American Central Bank expect to 3.2% increase in this time inflation report. So Fed expect to forecast increase inflation report. So if increase inflation report to 3.2% or above, that is the my one first option how to trade gold with this inflation report. So inflation report if increase 3.2% or above, 3.2% or above, that will help to dollar demand and gold drop to the below side. That is my first option. Inflation report will increase 3.2% or about 3.3, 3.4, 3.5 like that. That will be help to Fed hawkish with the this FOMC meet in January, and that is the dollar demand and gold drop to the below side. That is my first option. So second option is the inflation report drop. That is the 3.1 is the current inflation rate. That will be if you drop to the 3 point and below 3%, below 3% like 2.9, 2.8. This is the FOMC meeting January. So that has already forecast interest rate post 95% in January FOMC meeting, that the Fed Watch Tool website. And you can see the March FOMC meeting that the 57% forecast the interest rate cutoff. That inflation reports drop to the below 3%. This rate cut will be increased in March FOMC meeting. That will help to dollar depreciate, dollar sell off and gold demand. Can what to understand what I am saying? Inflation report drop to the below 3%, below 3% like 2.9, 2.8. That is the actual inflation report this week drop to the below 3%. That will help to go for Fed's dovish tone in January FOMC meeting, and also rate cut forecast in March FOMC meeting. That will help to gold demand. So gold break to this trend line, help to this inflation report dropped, and gold demand to the upside 2070 80 level. That is my two option with the how to trade with the inflation report. That is the two option. You can join with my telegram link, accurate trade analysis with signals. Thank you.